Hey everybody, Cucina Catarina at the school is temporarily closed and I have another kitchen here in my beautiful home. I don't know where you are, but where we are it's 90 degrees here in Florida, so you see me in my sarong. And some of you know I took a tumble in the ocean, so I'm a grounded mermaid for the time being with my wheels. So, a lot of us are home cooking more, and that is a good thing. I'm here to give you some tips on some super simple spring soups. They all start with the same base in a pot or a skillet on your stove. You're going to either use a good olive oil. I actually have some pieces of garlic in this. Chop some onion, get it in there, saute it a little bit. That's your base for every single one of these soups. Tonight, I added asparagus. We're going to add a little extra virgin olive oil and some almond milk and avocado for creaminess. I'm going to use my immersion blender, also known as a smart stick from Cuisinart. I like this one because the blade comes off and goes right in your dishwasher. And you can puree this very, very simply. You can add beans to this. You can add nut butter to this. You can take a zucchini and saute it with onion and garlic and jazz it up with Italian seasonings, maybe even throw in a little tomato paste. You can take spinach, baby spinach, and saute it lightly, very lightly, just till it wilts with your onion and garlic. Puree it with maybe a little coconut milk. Maybe you prefer to have the almond milk. That would be fine. Spice it up however you want. A little kick of cayenne pepper. Nutmeg and spinach is great. You can take organic kale, saute it in your onion and garlic. I like coconut cream with this one and curry. So jazz it up. Just be creative. It's super simple to make spring soups, and everything's turning green, so why not eat green too? Thanks for watching.